Same coffee, same grinder, same espresso machine. 4 completely different espresso. What changed? Just the filter. Today we are going to prove how much a filter basket can shape your espresso. Hello guys and welcome back to the IMS YouTube channel. Today we are using La Marzocco Linea Mini and we are going to analyze the results through the espresso cupping. No changes in grinding size, no changes in dose, no changes in temperature, only the filter change, and the results might surprise you. The espresso cupping is the simplest way to isolate one variable in extraction. Same coffee, same recipe, different filter. That's how we understand the real impact of the tool. The coffee that we are using today is a single origin from Ethiopia, light roast, with tasting notes of jasmine, bergamot, candied orange and caramel. Let's see how each filter enhances this coffee. First cup, IMS Competition Rounded. This basket has rounded internal corner, which slightly changes the flow. In the cup we get medium to high body, medium sweetness and low bitterness. The flavor profile is balanced between caramel and soft citrus notes. It's structured, comforting and round. Now we move to the Big Bang competition filter with its pack screen. Here we see a more controlled extraction. The cup becomes even more balanced between sweetness and acidity. The body is round but more defined. Jasmine becomes clearer, brown sugar appears, and blood orange becomes more expressive. This filter gives harmony and clarity at the same time. Next, the Nanotech filter. With this one, the cups becomes brighter. The body is more silky, the acidity is more vibrant. The flavors are more defined. Jasmine pops, bergamot becomes clearer. Candied orange has a longer finish. This becomes a more expressive and lively cup. Last but not least, the EMB all-in-one with its pack screen. Here, the body becomes lighter, but the definition increases significantly. The cup is elegant and precise. Jasmine becomes very clean. The citrus notes are well separated, and the caramel finish smoothly. This is the most defined and delicate cup of the 4. All 4 espressos comes from the same coffee. The only variable, the filter. Each one shaped the cup differently. In this case, we have more body, more balance, more brightness, and more clarity. Changing the filter might seem like a small detail, but it has a huge impact on your espresso cup profile. Which one is the best? The one that gives you the experience that you are looking for. Because a filter basket isn't just an accessory, it's a flavor tool. So if you have La Marzocco Mini at home and more than one filter basket, you can try this test yourself. And if you want to know which IMS filter works best with your coffee, write it in the comments and we will guide you. And don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into espresso extraction and filter technology. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.